Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you all are fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. So my dear students, it's your maths class. Now get your maths book. Now my dear students, get your maths book. In our previous class, we have started the exercise 1b and we have solved the question A, B and C part. Today we are going to solve part number D. Here part number D in front of you. Write each of the following numbers in figure. Now we are going to write the following numbers in figure. हमने इनको figures में लिखना है, just like these numbers. These numbers are in figures, okay? 15,512. Dear students, 15,512. So write here 1515, comma 512. So 15,512. So write this number in front of this blank. 359,219. Okay, 359,000, comma, then the number is 219. अब आप लिखेंगे 219. This is first part and this is the second part, and we are going to solve part number D. 359,219. The next number is 5,830,000. So first of all you have to write 5, 830. So it is 5,830,000 and the ones place digits are 6, only 6. So the position of 100 is missing. Similarly, position of tens is also missing. Just write 6 ones. So 5,830,006. Okay, this is the numbers in figure of part number 3. Let's move toward the next part. And here is fourth part. 276 million. Dear students, write 200. This is fourth part. 276 million, comma, then 450,000. So write here 450,000. Again, comma, then you have to write here 202. So 202. So this is the next number in figures. 276,450,202. And the fifth part is 85 million. So write here 85 million, comma 701,000. 701,000. 701 means 700 ones. Okay. Next one is 600. So write here 600. So this is the number in figure. So my dear student, I have done 5 part for you. Remaining 5 parts are your assignment. Try to write these numbers in figure. 5,053. Very simple. You have to write 5,053. This is 5,053. Similarly, 812. Very easy number, 812. Okay, let's move toward the E part. Write the number names. Now we are going to write the number names. We are expanded form is given to us and we are going to write the number names of the following. Okay, we are going to write the number names. 5,343. So this is 5,343. The next number is 35,000, 30 then 5. It's become 35,227. So 35,227. Next number is 54,000, then The next number is the place of ones is missing here. This is 100th place and this is 10th place. So 540,000, then 205. So 205. Write this number in just like me. Next number, fourth one is 25, then 25, then the place of 0. This 0 is missing here because these are 1, 2, 3 and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at fourth place the number is missing here. So 250, 394. ये बन जाएगा 394. Next number is 642. Dear student, let's count the digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3 and 4. So these are in sequence. ये sequence में है तो हम लिखेंगे 642,107. So 642,107. The last number is 820,000. Sorry, 802,000. This is 802, not 820. This is 802,000. Then 802,000. Then 36. So right here 36. The place of hundreds is missing here. 36. So this is the correct answer, not this one. This is wrong one and this is the correct. 802,036. Again 802. 802. Then 36. 036. So this is the answer. So student, complete this exercise. Exercise 1B. Part number D, E and F. You can solve part number D on your book. Similarly, part number D complete on book and E on your neat notebook. This is your home task. Now student, let's know about the place value of numbers up to million. अभी तक हम 1000 तक पढ़ रहे थे, अब हम million तक सीखेंगे. वही सीक्वेंस, वही सारा कुछ. Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After that, which thing is come? 1000 के बाद क्या आता है? Million. 1000 के बाद क्या आता है? Million. Ones million, tens million, hundreds million. Again, read with me. Ones, tens, 100. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Let's count the digits that are present in 100 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So dear student, total 9 digits are present in such number that are starting from 100 million. You have to put comma 427 million. 427 million, comma 163,000. 163,000, comma 859. 859. So this is the number 427,163,859. Okay, let's move to the next page. Dear students, this page number 12 is very important to understand the concept of place values. Look at this number. 427,163,859. 4. Let us know the place value of 4. 4 is the 100 millions place. क्या place value है 4 की? 100 millions. And the value is 400 million. Let's do. 2 is on tens million place. 2 is in the tens million place and has the value of 20 million. 7. 7 is on ones million. You can also write 7 is on millions place having the value of 7 million. Similarly, 1 is on 100,000 place and having the value of 100,000. 6 is on 10,000 place having the value of 60,000. 3 is on 1,000 place having the value of 3,000. 8 is on 100th place, so value of 8 is 800. 5 is on 10th place and value of 5 is 50. And 9 is on 1st place and the value is 9. By combining all these numbers, we get this number. Okay? Let's move toward exercise C, and this is basically totally relied on this concept. If you understand this one, then you can easily solve this exercise. अगर आपने इसको समझ लिया तो आप exercise बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो. Okay, here is the exercise 1C in front of you, and this is very simple and easy exercise. Write the place value of. देखिए अब हमें नंबर दिया गया है 432,681,005 and we हमसे पूछा क्या गया है, we have asked that write the place value of 3. So 3 is on 10 million place. 3 is on 10 million place. Look at this. I have prepared for you. 5 is on ones, 0 is on tens, 0 is on hundreds, 1 is on ones, 1,000, 8 is on 10,000, 6 is on 100,000, 2 is on 1 million, 3 is on 10 million, 4 is on 100 million. So we have, यहाँ पे हमसे 3 के बारे में पूछा गया, तो 3 कहाँ पे है? Tens million. So write the answer in this way. 3 is on 10 millions place. Okay. Next one is write the place of 0. Now अब हमने 0 के बारे में बताना है. So dear student, 0, look at here, where is 0? This is 0. Okay, if we write the place value of this number, then tens, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So 0 is on 100,000 place. 0 is on which place? 100,000. Okay, let's move toward the next one. Look at here, I have prepared for you 5 ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So 0 is on 100,000 place. So right here 100,000 place. Similarly, the remaining two parts is for you. You have to write the place value of 2. 2 is on 100 million and 5. 5 is on 10 million. Now, let's move toward B part. Write the place of 8 in each. अब आपको मुख्तलिफ तरह की एग्जाम्पल्स दी गई हैं और आपने हर एक पार्ट के अंदर 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू बतानी है. ओके, our first number is 64,817. So the place of 8 is 100. 381 million. So the place of 8 is 81. Okay, 80. So it is 10 million. This 8 is on 1,000. This 8 is on 100 million. 100 million. Okay, if we write the number in such a way that 8, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 8 is on 100 million. Look at here 8. Very easy. It is on ones place. So right here ones. Look at here. This is on million place. Which place? Million. M-I-L-L-I-O-N. This is on million place. Look at here. Million. Look at here 8. This is on which place? Good. Tens place. Look at here. 816 million. So the position of 8 is 100 million. So right here 100 million. The position of 8 is 100 million. Find the value. Now we are going to give the value of 3 into 513. 25,134. So the value of 3 is 30. So write here 30, THIRTY, or we can also write here in this way. 3 is on 30. So it is tens place. So the value of 3 is 30. Look at here 5. 5 is on 100th place. So the value is 500. 5 is on 100th place. So the value of 5 is 500. 643,000. You have to write the value of 6. So 6 is on 100,000. So write here 600,000. 600,000. Let's move toward the next part. 4 in 349,029. So 4 in 10,000. So the value of 4 is 40,000. 40,000. Good. Okay, my dear student. I have completed 4 parts for you. Remaining 4 parts is your home assignment. Try to solve the remaining 4 parts. Let's move to a D part. Find the value of 6 in each of the following numbers. Now we are going to value of 6. Write the value of 6. Dear student, our first number is 2,568. Okay, 2,568. एंड अब हमने किसकी वैल्यू लिखनी है 6 की 68. द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6 इज 60. लुक एट हियर 2560. 6 is on 10th place. So the value of 6 is 60. 60. Then 763 million. 763 million. So we have to write the place value of 6. So write here 6 because it is 63 million 60. So write here 60 million by putting 6 zeros and 6 zeros 60. So 60 million. Okay, this is on tens millions place. So the value of 6 is 60 million. Okay, the next number is third one is 265,140. 265,140, and we have to write the place value of this one. Look at here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 6 is on 10,000. So write here, tens means 6 tens means 60. Okay, 60. Then by putting the zeros just like 1, 2 and 3. So it would become 60,000. What is this? 60,000. Similarly, the next number is 176,004. 176,004, and this is the part number of 4. So write here fourth part. Okay, look at here. Ones, tens, 100, and this is 1,000. Which place is this? This is 1,000 place. So write here 6,000. The value of 6 is 6,000. By applying the comma after 3 digits, 3 नंबरों के बाद आपने comma जरूर लगाना है. It would become 6,000. Very good. I hope that you have understood this concept and solve the remaining parts 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts by yourself. Let's move toward E part. Identify the number in which the value of 4 is 1,000. अब हमने वो नंबर आइडेंटिफाई करना है जिसपे 4 की वैल्यू 4,000 है. Look at this number. This is the correct one. So take this number 64,000. Okay. Here the value of 4 is 4,000. So my dear students, we have completed the exercise 1E and 1C. So it is your task to complete this exercise. So my dear students, complete exercise 1B and C on your neat notebook. And I hope that you have understood today's lecture. If you have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I'll answer your all queries. Dear students, complete all the tasks that are assigned to you in today's and share the picture of your homework on school's WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.